Oh well, guess that's it then. X just updated their adult media content policy, and well, we had a good run. So I'm joking. I'm joking. The mainstream media is just being the mainstream media. That is why I wanted to make this video. So yes, it is true that X just updated their adult media content policy, but they are just minor updates. Mainly, most likely in preparation of the live video spaces that are going to be rolling out soon. So at the moment, X have a spaces feature, which is pretty cool. It's essentially just one big giant group voice chat, and they're looking to add video into that. So they added some minor changes in their adult media content policy, which will affect video spaces. It pretty much means that you just can't, do live video spaces with your tits out, really. So let's go over it. So first of all, the good thing about X actually is this, what do they call it? Community notes. So, all these people posting about, oh no, the X policy, it's updated, and you used to be able to post porn on X and now you can't. Good old community notes is pretty much just correcting all that. So X's policy on adult content hasn't changed. Banning of explicit materials and paid ads has been a policy long before Elon's buyout. Then you have this one, Elon Musk has blocked the promotion of adult content on X. Oh my gosh, clickbait. And then boom, community notes comes in. This is false, X said blah, blah, blah. You can share graphic content. How cool is that? So, but yeah, it won't stop the mainstream media because, in the attempt to pull X down, they're going to run with it. So I want to explain how this will affect us, if at all right? So let's go over the latest change. So overview, in January, you may post content that falls under our definitions of graphic content, adult nudity, sexual behavior with a content warning, but you may not share this media in a live video or in your profile picture or header, list banner, or community cover photo. Media depicting gratuitous, gore, I don't know if I've seen that word before, violent sexual conduct or bestiality, blah, blah, necrophilia is not pretty. So it's the same old. Pretty much what they're doing is they're saying you can still post porn, just don't put it in things where everyone can see it, like your profile picture or your banner, because then people who even may not want to see this type of content will see it. They will just, they might just type in an account name, yours might come up in the search results, and boom, if you got tits in your profile picture, they're going to be right there. And they weren't looking for that. So as I said earlier as well, they specifically highlight the live video part, which leads me to suspect that this was in anticipation of the live video spaces. So this video will actually be short. Sorry for the clickbait thumbnail. I want to, make it look like it was a big deal. But I also want to let you know it's not. The only difference is that you can't post nudity or whatever in public things that anyone can see, profile picture, banner, etc. But you can still post as usual. Now they do go over to say, let me say that this has always been a thing since Elon took over. If you do post like, actual porn or whatever, you just have to put a content marker on it so that people who do not want to see that type of content won't see it. Now, I'm not sure if you've seen my other videos about X, but I actually reckon it will be a major OnlyFans alternative or competitor or additive, if that's even a word. Yes, it is a word. Because the only thing X is missing now is, let me try and find it. The only thing X is missing now is like being able to pay for content, because they have everything else. You can't even see it. Anyway, so what X have now is the ability to have subscribers. So what you can do is you can post your everyday social media content on your X profile, and then you can have a subscription package. So anyone that pays for the subscription can see extra content that you only post for your subscribers. Does that sound familiar? But they don't have the ability to, don't have the ability to sell PPV content within the DMs yet. But when you do, pretty much be OnlyFans, but better, because OnlyFans, you can't get any organic traffic. Like, you can't just use the hashtag and then you'll find people to sub to your page. Only people that know what your page is called can find you on OnlyFans, and that's why you have to use, you know, external media sources, like external social media, to bring in the subs. But imagine if you could attract new subs and then sell to them all on the same platform. Well, welcome to X, but it's not ready yet. But anyway, that's getting off topic. I just want to let you know that very small adult content media policy update. It's literally just that, saying that you can't post adult content, or you can't feature it in things that the general public can see, like profile picture, banner, etc., or live video. But aside from that, everything's still exactly the same, so no need to worry. I won't give you any more of an ear beating than I have to about this. And as usual, if you like my content, go join my Discord or my forum. Links in the description. I'll be in there so you can ask any questions you like, along with a wealth of knowledge from scripts, templates, tools. It's all in there, and the value for money is just absolutely insane. And if you like the video, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.